Well, we did it. We broke Amazon. Just like Kim Kardashian's booty pic, we broke the internet. You can't break the internet. It's like Skynet. It will never go away. Al Gore would be proud. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to your Tacomaholic channel. I was hoping to do a quick video on my lunch break at work to avoid the rain, but of course, as soon as I hit record, it started raining. So this is just going to be a quick video today, thank goodness, going over a few other options for the Unifilter, which is currently sold out on Amazon. I will say, if you want to wait for the Unifilter to be restocked on Amazon, I have been in contact with the actual company that is selling them. It's not the manufacturer, it's just a vendor, I guess, and they did say they are expecting the next big shipment on August 8th, so today's the 2nd. That's just less than a week away, so you can wait for that. I will say that I did notice that when I first did the Unifilter video, I believe the price was $13.99, and before they sold out, it had jumped to $19.99, so perfect example of supply and demand. I do have a list here of a few other options you can go with, all of which should work. The first is from ZYHW. It is currently $15.88. And they should have about 15 of those in stock. There are two versions from K&N, one with like a black cap on it and the other with a chrome cap. Both of those are about $23.98, so a little more expensive, but then again, the regular Unifilter jumped up to 20 bucks anyway. And the cheapest version is from UXCell. It's $9.35, and they should have plenty of those in stock. And again, they're all the 1-inch diameter for the tube, so each and every one of those should work just fine. Additionally, I had picked a winner for the Unifilter giveaway from that first video, and sadly he never responded back to me, so I will be picking another winner for this. I'm going to go ahead and pick that tomorrow. So you know, this is sold out right now, so this is probably worth its weight in gold. So I will pick the winner for the Unifilter tomorrow. I'll give you guys another chance. Go ahead and comment below on why you think you deserve it. If I do pick you, please read your comments when you comment why you deserve it, because I've had this happen a few times where I pick a winner, never hear back from them, so their loss, your gain. All right, everyone, just a quickie video today, but those can certainly be fun. Hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video.